In this video, I'll show you how to remove the radio of your Prius C. This is the smaller of the Prius lineup. So to do so, you need a flathead screwdriver, a knife, something very thin, and then put it right over here. You see the bezel around the radio is removable, and by sticking it out on the lower right side, you can unclip one of the first clip. Then take your hand, you don't need the screwdriver necessarily, and try to unclip the rest. It will not break. Honestly, this plastic is very hard, and simply by doing all around the radio, you will unclip it. You see these clips? Well, this is what was retained in it. You can put it on the side, no need to remove it further. And to remove the radio, there's 4 Phillips head screws, you see, 2 on each side, one here, another one here. These are quite deep inside. The other side is easier to have access, but yeah, you have 4 Phillips head screw that you need a Phillips head screwdriver to do so. On this side, as I said, it's a bit deep, so I won't have access, but on that one, I'll be able to get them just by doing so. Obviously, make sure that they will not fall inside of the dash, those screws. I don't care here, it's not my car, I'm in a scrap yard. This car gonna be scrapped in about a day or so, no one needs them, but you need to be careful to not drop those screws inside. Same thing on the other side. I have put an extension to have access to them. And then after doing this, take the radio with 1 or 2 hands. Here I'm holding the camera, so I'll just take one hand and pull it out until you see the connectors on the back. To remove them, it's very easy. Take back your screwdriver, and we need to push on this latch and pull the connector at the same time. Again, with 2 hands, it's much easier. Here I only have 1 hand, and it's quite hard, I would say. But yeah, just push on the pin. Even this gray out has a small pin, small latch, and whoops, here we go. The radio fall by itself, so just be careful, again, with 2 hands to retain it. The last one, same concept, and here we go, you have your radio out. Now, if you want to replace this radio with the same one or maybe another one, well, you'll need to keep the brackets that are on each side. You'll need, again, your Phillips head screwdriver to remove those 3 screws on each side and keep the brackets and attach them on your new radio. But overall, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, comment, leave a like, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Have a really nice day.